Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Transfer Tuesday and our weekly 52-week challenge. So first we are going to do our Transfer Tuesday. Now if you have never heard of Transfer Tuesday, pretty much every Tuesday you're transferring money into your saving account or your emergency fund, anything that you are saving for, a car or debt, anything, you want to do that. So if you want more details into the Transfer Tuesday, I will link Pittings Not Perfections links down below because she's amazing. I am doing it with her. She is the original person who has made this Transfer Tuesday up, and I absolutely love her. So go and check her out. All right, so today we are going to be doing a transfer. And I probably going to transfer $20. I've been doing like $5 and yeah, pretty much just $5. So we're going to do one-time payment for today and we are going to do $20. Let's see. And today is Monday when I'm filming this, so I'm trying to pre-film. Okay. And then transfer review, yes, and submit. All right, so that is confirmed. So we are going to jump right in to our transfer, not our Transfer Tuesday, our 52-week challenge. All right, so for our 52-week challenge, as always, I do it a little bit different. I do not go in order. I do not go in backwards. I just literally pick what I can put in that week. And as can't really talk. As always, we have our snowflake little box that we put all of our money in. And I'm just going to zoom y'all out just a little bit so y'all can see. All right, so today we are actually going to be picking a number from this side. And today's number is going to be 40. So we are going to put $40 into our savings. Okay. I have a lot. All right. So 2, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, and 79. $79 is how much we have total. So I'm just going to color that in right here. Now I know I think I'm 1 week short because I did miss 1 week. I am not talking right today, you guys. I am so sorry. But if you are new, thank you for coming on to my channel and for subscribing, supporting me. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos almost every single day, I think. I usually have a break every other Friday. And Wednesdays is usually my break, or every other Friday and every other Saturday because I do stuffing my cash envelopes. So I'm usually posting on Saturdays, Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Fridays up in the air, depends on if I have any new videos that I want to post or anything like that. But yeah, you guys, so that is it. Short, sweet, and to the point. It is our 52-week challenge, which we put $40 in, and then we did our Transfer Tuesday, which we put $20 in. Now, if you want an updated Transfer Tuesday of how much I have in my savings right now, because that number right there, the $911 is not right because I usually transfer all of my bills to that savings account until it is ready to be paid for. So I won't be spending it. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you are doing the 52-week challenge and how you are progressing and how you are doing it. Are you doing it in order, backwards? Are you picking from a jar? One of my friends on here, she picks from a jar every week, and it's pretty cool to watch her do that. But anyways, I hope y'all have a blessed week, and I will see you guys later. Bye!